Hey there folks, I'm Mike and welcome back to Sawgrass Delta. Today we're up here on the trail to Waterrock Knob and well, truth be told, we came out here to go visit a plane crash from the 1980s that was up here on the mountainside. I've been there a few times before, but imagine my surprise when on the way up here, I find out that 2 days ago they actually came up here with a helicopter and hauled away all the parts. Now I'm going to go up here and we're going to see if we can get to where it used to be, because I heard the trail might also be blocked off, and I'm not one to go around barricades and signs just because nobody's looking. So we'll see when we get up here. Also, I'll show you the view from Waterrock Knob. Forgive me, I'm having a hard time breathing right now. I'll catch up with y'all when we get to the top here. Alright there folks, made it to the top of Waterrock Knob here. And we'll come down here. Gotta be careful to watch my feet and not the camera. The camera can watch my feet. See, about here's the edge. And we can come down here. I guess that's the knob for Waterrock Knob. I'm not gonna go stand on that. See, down there is the Parkway. And yeah, so we got kind of a big open area up here. I'll take you and show you the very top. It's a rocky trail. And it smooths out here. And you can see where it's been worn down by where everybody kind of congregates up here. There were a few people up here just a little while ago. I kind of got the place to myself for right now. Look at that from here. You can see the parking lot. That's where we parked, walked up here from there. Alright, that was a lot of fun. Did look like they blocked off where the plane was. I don't know, saves me about another 2 hours of walking. I'll pop up some pictures though on the screen so y'all can excuse me, so y'all can see what the site did look like the last time I was out there. And hey, thanks for joining me on this one.